Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Azure aficionados. Have you ever felt like you are navigating through a storm in the cloud? Let's shed some light on this complex topic using Azure Monitor logs to keep our digital ship sailing smoothly. Firstly, understanding your resource consumption is invaluable. Azure Monitor logs can help you pinpoint excessive resource usage and potential areas of waste by tracking your Azure resource metrics. Think of this as a reality check. Just like a traffic camera provides real-time traffic data helping city planners reduce congestion, Azure Monitor logs help you identify inefficient resource usage patterns, allowing you to optimize resource utilization. Secondly, Azure Monitor logs come to your rescue in detecting and troubleshooting incidents before they snowball into full-blown crisis. Imagine having the power to detect a potential data leak in real time and immediately take the necessary actions, just like identifying a crack in the windshield and preventing a potential accident. This early detection capability can prevent minor issues from evolving into catastrophic failures, saving precious cloud resources and ensuring uninterrupted business continuity. Finally, Azure Monitor logs serve as your playbook for post-mortem analysis by giving you a detailed account of events that led to an issue. Like a detective analyzing clues at a crime scene, reviewing the logs helps you trace the cause of incidents and formulate strategies to prevent their recurrence. So, to sum it up, Azure Monitor logs are your eyes and ears, enabling you to understand your Azure infrastructure, troubleshoot issues proactively, and ensure consistent service delivery with minimal costs. Ready to dive even deeper? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insightful content on tech advancements and practical implementations. Happy cloud surfing!